Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Craigslist ad. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the name that you have posted your ad with, then click on account icon once again at the top right. You will now see all of your ads that you have posted, and if you don't, then you can click on all postings. Once you find the ad within which you wish to change your name, click on the edit button underneath manage. Then click on edit post. And now once you are allowed to edit your post, scroll down and you will see the show my phone number option. Go ahead and click on it if it is not already enabled. And now you can change your contact name within this section. Just type in your preferred name within the contact name section and then click on the continue button. Once you click on this, your changes will be saved and the contact name that will be displayed within the ad will also be changed to whatever you set it as. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your Craigslist ad. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.